All right. Now we discuss Module 8, G1 Visa Program, about commitment to return and home country ties. And let's start from the first part. Where do you currently live, and how long have you lived there?
I currently live in Tuban, Bali. It's a busy area near the airport and tourism spots. I've lived there since I was born.
Right. And do you live with your family or you owned?
Yes, I do live with my parents.
Okay. And what do you plan to do after your internship abroad ends?
After my internship abroad ends, I plan to finish my studies and work in the hospitality industry, applying the knowledge and experience I gained during the program.
Okay. And do you have a job or academic plans waiting for you in your home country?
Yes, I plan to continue my studies. Now I'm in third semester. After the program, after 1 year of the program, I will returning in the fifth semester. So I will have one semester left to finish.
Okay.
And yeah,
Good. And are you involved in any long-term commitment here?
yes, I'm currently committed to my diploma 3 in hospitality, majoring food and beverage management at Triatma Mulia University.
Okay. Yeah, so this is very strong bound, to return back to your country. Do you own any property or asset in your home country?
No, I don't have any property or assets in my home country, but my dad have some villas and to manage.
Okay, so you will carry on this business. Okay.
Yes,
And how do you feel about the idea of living abroad permanently?
I don't. I don't have any plans to live abroad permanently. My main goal is to join this program to gain experience and return to my home country to continue my studies and build career.
Okay, yeah, so you ensure that you will return back, after the internship program finish, okay. And why is it important for you to return home after your program?
It's important for me to return home to finish my studies, apply the experience I gain, and build my career in my home country. And I will take care the family business in the future.
Okay. And now I want you to describe your plan after completing your international internship in the US. Yeah, so you could talk about 2 or 3 minutes about this.
My internship will end after 1 year at Oasis at Dead Valley by Santera Travel Collection. After returning home, I plan to continue my diploma studies and build my career in the hospitality industry. I have strong ties and responsibility in my country, including my education and family, which is why I'm fully committed to returning after the program.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. And we discuss further about this and why do visa officer look for proof that someone will return to their home country?
Because visa officers need to make sure applicants will follow the program rules, not overstay and return to their home country after completing their program.
Okay, and your idea, what kinds of personal or professional ties are seen as a strong reason to return home?
Strong, strong ties include family responsibilities, religion or cultural practices, ongoing education, stable jobs, future career plans, and other commitments in the home country.
Okay, yeah, for you yourself, it is about your education plan. Yeah, so you should complete your study after the program. And how can property ownership or family businesses strengthen someone to return a commitment?
Property ownership or family businesses shows strong personal and financial ties, giving clear reasons and
Okay.
responsibility to returning after the program.
And do you think education or career goal can influence someone's decision to come back home?
Yes, education and career goals are strong motivation to return home because they give clear plans and responsibility for the future.
Right. And now I want to have your idea. How do you personally feel about long-term migration?
I am not interested in a long-term immigration. I prefer to gain experience abroad and then return home to continue my studies and build my career.
Okay. And what is the difference between a legal temporary stay and illegal overstay?
Legal temporary stay means staying in a staying in a country with valid visa and following the rules, while illegal overstaying means staying after the visa expires, which can lead to penalties or future visa problems.
All right. And in what ways can your returning interns contribute to your country after international experience in the US?
Returning interns can share new skills, improve service quality, bring fresh ideas to the industry, and help develop the local workforce with their international experience.
Right. And now we come to the last question. And what advice would you give to someone who is thinking of overstaying their visa?
I will advise them not to overstay because it's illegal and can cause serious consequences like bans or visa refusals in the future. It's better to follow the rules and returning home.
Okay, so it is compulsory to return home, yeah, after this program. Right, so it's nice to talk with you about this topic, yeah, commitment to return home and home touch country, and good luck for your internship program. Thank you.
Thank you.